Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Malik Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
他们祷告之前，他们会说阿拉胡巴瓦克，就是阿拉真主是万能的。那后面他一长串，这个意思我听不清，我就还不知道。
我老婆塞玛，
他有跟我说，叫我祷告的时候，我不用念可兰经的那个语言，我用我自己的中文祷告，一样可以。因为塞尔玛的宗教背景，想说让他在台湾有一个真的是像有家的感觉，所以就有一个祷告室这样子，慢慢的去尝试，我就尝试的去接受不一样的文化了，对人生有不一样的视野这样子。
Hi, my name is Salma Iqbal. I'm from Birmingham, England. I was born in Pakistan and grew up most of my life in UK. After graduating from university, I came to Taiwan to teach and also travel. I've been here for almost 7 years now, and that's when I met my husband, Jason. We got married last year in December, and I moved to Kaohsiung. I currently work in my husband's family business and also teach English in the evenings. I usually come here when they are busy and I just do some packaging. Yeah, they all have different packaging to do. We just need to make sure we know exactly what the customer wants. So the exact item, what it's made from, the coating, we need to make sure the quality is good and the size is correct. Yeah, I take care of this and then they can package another item more faster and ship it on the same day. Yeah, they know me for a long time. Yeah, almost a good 5 or 6 years. The time I've spent in Taiwan, they know me.
早啊，早。
早，妈妈。
早。Do you know how to measure this?
Maybe.
Yeah, okay.
You can show me.
Okay. And first, you must make sure, the parcel number is correct.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Okay.
Okay.
How many bags you packed already?
I just started.
Okay, started.
Yeah.
Okay,
just started
okay.
This, yeah.
Okay, go ahead. You did a very good job.
Thank you.
After that, you can ask Daniel, to measure over there.
Okay. How many usually fit in one bag?
500.
500 in this bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
This number is 6.32.
4, yeah.
Yeah, this is correct.
It's correct. This is Daniel, Jason's younger brother, and he works in the factory. Yeah, comes here every day. He takes care of the aunties here and gets the job done. Usually, sometimes I will always ask Daniel some question if I don't understand something.
常常会他讲什么，我会不晓得他在说什么，就是可能有时候会鸡同鸭讲这样。他有空的时候就会过来帮忙，有时候也是要让他多学习我们在做什么，什么都要做啊，什么都要去学。例如像我包的这个，德玛他大概是去年才有来工厂帮忙，我都很怕他会不会不想要来了这样子，但是好像也不会，真的是让我跌破眼镜的一个地方，因为我们这边是属于比较炎热的环境，所以一般这种漂漂亮亮的女生，尤其是国外来的女生，我想她应该没有办法去适应这种生活，这个让我很佩服她，就是这一点。每次来都是笑口常开，然后她也很有礼貌，跟这些同事们去问好啊，然后也是对他们都是以笑脸来去对待他们。这个环境她可以待得住吗？但是后来好像是我想太多，她是完完全全可以去克服这些环境跟工作内容的问题。
Down?
down 了。
我老婆 Selma 她的想法是因为她已经在家里工作了嘛，那这个也算是家里的工作之一，所以她不会认定说她自己只坐办公室，她就是哪里需要做什么她就会去这样子。她也没什么跟我抱怨什么，她也没有，对，她算是还蛮能吃苦的女生。她很怕热，因为她在英国跟巴基斯坦山上没有那么热。她也那个时候她也就是会骑摩托车从凤山骑去竹田，大概就骑个40分钟这样子吧。我还蛮讶异，她可以一直持续这样子做一段时间。她的适应能力其实还蛮强的。
You okay?
Yeah. Slowly, very slowly. No, it's up. Yeah. Now, this one.
To reverse.
Yes. And your hand lift. And you have to wash your back.
First time I picked up something. I did drive this before, just a straight line. First time I picked up boxes. Yeah, I think I did good. Thanks, Daniel.
You're welcome, Selma.
He's a good teacher. Daniel says slowly. Because this is very sensitive. It's not like a car. Did I do good? Successful?
Excellent.
Yeah?
Perfect.
Yeah. So I'm just returning back from the factory, and usually I will come to the office to meet my mother-in-law. Let me check. I think I smell something. She's cooking. Mama? What are you cooking?
Yes, I'm cooking, pork.
Did you buy it from the market?
Yes. It's a Haggaster. Even the pork, you cannot eat it, but Daddy and Auntie Julie and Gwen, they can eat it.
Oh,
Okay? Maybe you can cook the egg.
Egg? Okay.
But be careful. You're the fried egg. Yes.
Oil.
Yeah.
So are you gonna add anything else in there?
No need, because it's salty.
Salty.
Yes, salty.
Oh,
I just put
you
it.
just fry it and
yes, and the onion. That's it.
How many eggs?
Okay. Two.
Just fry.
Okay. Together.
Okay.
Maybe you can. It's a more oil.
More oil?
It's more easy. Oh, very good. Okay, that's enough. And
It's also finished?
Finish. 那上吃饭了，好吃。这是尔玛炒的，这蛋是他煎的，厉害吧？
哦，
可以了。
谢谢。
好，来坐，吃饭。这高丽菜你可以吃这个，你吃这个，啊，好吃的。我有什么菜我就煮什么菜，既然他不吃猪肉，我就不吃猪肉，这样子啊。但是今天刚好我们3个要吃猪肉，我们就吃猪肉，这样子。刚有鱼汤啊，有高丽菜啊，有蛋啊，他就这样就可以了。So many Hakka food needs pork.
Yeah,
so
that's why.
This is a problem. 现在要多说国语，不说中文了，不说英文了，我不说英文了。萨洱玛呢，因为他以前是教书的，他没有接触过这种业务方面的，因为我们这是外贸嘛，所以刚开始他这个应该就是说由我带他进入。This box just content these 4 items, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Also the label.
The labels, okay.
The label, 2 label, and also the small box.
I have a lot of job to do, so I will just make sure I try my best to understand it first, and so I can get the job done. Yeah. We are working on a new project, and I have to check the prices and the packaging, and just make sure the calculation is correct and how my mother-in-law did the calculation, and then I have to write the email to the customers. I find it very interesting actually. It's a little bit challenging. Sometimes I don't understand something, then I have to find out the answers, and I will ask and learn about the new project, how it's made, and how we package it. I work in the factory sometimes, so I know the items now, so it gets more easier, then I enjoy it more. It's very new for me, yeah, I've never done this before, but I went to New Zealand maybe about 4 years ago with my mother-in-law, and we went to visit our customers, and they told us how it's made. So I know from the start how this item was designed until now, so I find that quite interesting.
他回那个新妹儿哈，跟客户的个呢对答哈，写过好，比爱飞他比万个好，这点还归欣赏。说实在的哈，我这个从事这个贸易工作已经有30几年了啦。我一个儿子在家厢房啊，然后一个是在工厂啊。我本身是贸易的体系嘛，但是我有个包装厂啊，所以我小儿子在那边帮忙，对。但是我一直想要找一个接班的。我在想，我是想他很适合，因为他是英文，这是他的强项嘛。讲伊一路第三哦，佢冇用，也点爱佢奋起，不爱做新球，又乐观，又非常的算是进取心还蛮强的啦。
I like this place. This room is a very big room. It's a very special room, you see. It's not really, I don't think I deserve it because it's so nice, because I'm just a new employee. But I think my mother-in-law, she's very nice to me. So she gave me this room. She said, oh, you can sit here, relax, and spend your own time. I can study Chinese here, just, just relax and take it easy.
我是跟他讲说 maybe one day in the future, you can take over my job. You can do that. I trust you.
I was born in Pakistan, and I moved to the UK when I was 7 years old. I couldn't really, so I'm from a very northern part of Pakistan, and our language and everything is different. So when I moved to the UK, I was 7 years old and I couldn't speak English or anything. So I had to learn everything within that 1 year. And I adjusted, because as a child, you adjust really fast around your surroundings. And then I grew most of my life in the UK with my family. After graduating, I just wanted to travel. I wanted to leave UK and see the rest of the world out there. So I've always had this adventurous side to me. And I think that's what led me to come to Taiwan. Taiwan was my first experience here, where I got to meet them, and yeah, I'm married to one now.
我第一眼就觉得她长得很像《铁达尼号》的那个女主角 Rose 这样子，然后她很善良，也很健谈。她知道我英文不好，她不会刻意一直问我太艰难的问题。我觉得她有因为我去刻意讲一些比较简单的英文，所以我觉得她是很体贴的人。Who chased me?
Of course you chased me.
对啊，我追她。
What are you gonna eat for dinner today? Are you hungry?
No, I'm not hungry now, but later I will eat.
One of the most important reasons is we are so different in our personality, which can go really wrong and it could go really right. And I think in our sense, it did go right, because I'm more like I want life experiences. I don't really know when to settle down. I'm always moving. I want to travel. I want to do so many things. And Jason is more grounded. He's a more family man. And I think for me, that felt like home. It felt safe and it felt comfortable to be with him. And I didn't want to all my life be running around and confusing myself and trying to find my purpose. But I think with Jason, I felt like home.
Okay. How is it work today?
My dad, when he heard about Jason, he worried a lot because he didn't meet Jason that time. I told my dad first. And he's like, Jason, what's his background? Where is he from? I said, he's Taiwanese. So they were very nervous for me. They were very scared. Oh, what have I done? Like, I'm going to live far away. I let him know that I really respect my dad and he's a really important person in my life. So if whatever we do, we have to do it the right way. And I come from a religious background, so I need you to, if you can accept that, then we can be together. And he was like, yeah, I want to be with you and I'm going to, do all those steps with you. So after that, I felt pretty comfortable, and I felt that because he was willing to do that, I felt his love for me. Yeah. After this week, we have to plan step by step.
I think later you can just call them. And just like the
they're gonna get a big surprise because they don't know.
It's okay. Just tell them. 英国那边比我们早7个小时嘛，他们现在应该在吃午餐，还会打电话给他爸爸，看看他爸爸在不在这样子。他爸爸看起来蛮严肃的，但是他爸爸人很好，就是我一开始看到他，我觉得他有点像那个伯朗咖啡的那个封面，就很有胡子这样，就很像那个封面这样。也是他爸爸带我去录那个穆斯林，去新穆斯林的。
Hello, Ada. Hi. Hi. What are you guys doing? Hello, Naila. Are you guys shopping? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੋ? Primark? Oh, are you shopping?
Yeah.
Where's Abba?
他跟我唠的。
Is he at home? Okay, did you buy anything?
Looking around.
Still looking around? They are just sitting because they can't hear anything.
Not yet, still looking.
Still looking. When did you guys come here?
Just like 5 minutes ago. Just like, yeah.
Look, let me show you something. This is what's happening. See the camera crew? Hi, say hello. Say hello.
They are the Hakka TV. Hakka TV. They are making a channel.
Yeah, they are trying to. They are vlogging our life in Taiwan and see how interesting it is. I'll just say bye to you guys because we have to finish up now. Bye. 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 Bye, Ami. Abir salam, David. Abir.
Bye.
Bye, Ami. This is so awkward. Awkward phone call. Usually they're home. It's more relaxed.
Is anybody at home?
My dad is home, but he doesn't use the video calls ever. They're always asking, like this sister, she'll call me and she'll say, what color is nice, and she's choosing outfit. So she will say, oh, this color or this color, always asking for my suggestion, even though I'm so far away. Yeah.
刚刚跟我们讲电话的那一个是那个有胡子的那个是他的侄子，然后另一个年轻的女生是他侄女，然后另一个就是他妈妈，对。
I come to this place 4 days a week, and I usually teach one class every evening here. I just do their check-in, and then books are there. We do so many activities here. Just waiting for the students to arrive now. Come and sit here. Come sit here. This is last week's work. Do you remember this word? I'm going to write it here, okay? Check, which one is it? You go write that word. Good, yes. Knife, okay? Knife. Yes. One more time. Here. How do you spell it? Sometimes if it's a very simple answer, I do give it back in Chinese, but usually when I answer in English, the next time they always know the English answers. It also helps them to practice their listening skills. Yeah.
他很有耐心的教我们如果讲错的地方，他会叫我们改正。不懂的，他会用另外一种方式让我们了解。他有让我的英文成绩在学校有进步。
Good. And you?
3月的时候，我们在征老师，因为我们是会找母语人士啦，所以他是英国籍的。 他就觉得英国籍的小朋友，他又有教国小的经验，所以应该是对小朋友应该蛮有耐性，才能去国小教。萨洱玛老师上课就是还蛮重视小朋友的感觉，所以他讲话又很温柔，然后又很漂亮这样，对，然后语气语调又很好听，所以其实上课起来小朋友的反应都还不错。
What is that? Do you remember? Lizard. Lizard. Okay?
OK， 这样吧，我们走了 ，Let's go。
Okay. Bye, Jason.
Bye. Okay, we go to Fengshan supermarket.
Okay.
Traditional market.
Okay.
Okay. There is a more cross here.
Okay. I can ride my scooter.
You take scooter.
Okay.
Did you have a mask?
Yeah.
Okay.
I brought the mask. Okay.
Okay, let's go. Okay, be careful.
Okay, hold on to me, okay? Usually she'll give me directions, but also she'll say, okay, Mamanda, slow down, you are driving too fast. So she's always worried about my safety. I think that's because I know the place, and she just reinforces the safety. She always wants to protect her children, so I'm like the same. She always tells me, okay, slow down, be careful, watch out the car. She's always telling me. She said maybe you drive good, but somebody else will drive bad, and they can hurt you.
We stop here, okay? Okay, 我们 go. What kind of chicken?
I need the chicken breast.
这位先不啦，这位先不啦。
Breast.
两袋 maybe two.
Okay.
皮 no skin right?
No skin and no bones.
无骨头的。
这位先不叫水。
对，他说你好漂亮。
啊，谢谢。
安尼偌济
How much?
165。
100 what?
100万？不是啦。
No,
165啊。
165 OK.
100万我连头个。
对啊，对，165。老板，我买米手有15块。哦。独家一里在给你叫。
谢谢，老人家，太多了呢。
15块。
Too much.
15块，多少？
I gave him 250s.
他给你15块吗？
有100块。
给你100块啊？15块。
哦，谢谢。
15块，不是45块。
I think these are vegetables. Okay. Hello.
你好 ，OK。外國人啊，對啦，英國嘅啦。你要買
I need tomatoes. Do you need bell pepper? How do you say bell pepper in Chinese?
哦，这个是青椒啊，黄青椒。青椒，还有什么？ Is it bamboo?
It's bamboo, right? We don't usually have this. Yeah, not very common.
Yes, very
and
common.
also
Yes.
this one, right? Bamboo shoots.
Bamboo shoots.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, we don't have this one. And what is this?
牛蒡。Did you know this one?
谢谢。
菱角。
Oh.
Just grow under the water.
Yeah,
water.
I have
so
never
many.
seen this.
This one. This is a flower. In Taitung. Do you know the 金针花
Yeah.
High mountain hills. You have this one.
What flower is it? Yellow flower?
Yellow, yes.
Yellow flower?
Yes. Did you need this?
莲子，白鹅莲子。
This one also. I don't know. Lotus.
Oh, lotus, yes, lotus.
My mother-in-law, she introduced me to the traditional market first time. I asked a lot of questions when I first came here. I was like, oh, what is this? Why is the chicken black? Why is this like this? Because so many different kinds of fruits and vegetables. So it's very interesting for me, yeah. These traditional markets are very different compared to like the markets in the UK. Because in the UK we have like just fish market where we can buy all the seafood And here you can buy everything, so it's like mix. You can even buy clothes here, and food and vegetables and eggs. Everything is sold here, so more convenient. Oh, okay.
OK， 好了，回家。
Her tempo is, she's quite fast-paced and she does everything really fast. Walking, talking, doing the jobs, cooking, everything is really, really fast. But that's her personality. I did adjust to that when I started working in the office with her. And I think in the end, I always feel, even if I get pressure, in the end, I feel it's benefiting me. So I always try to see it that way. Yeah. Although maybe our thinking doesn't always match, yeah. But I know in the end she wants best for me, she wants best for Jason, and I know that the culture difference between Taiwanese, how they raise children, and I know how I was raised, is very different, so I have to respect that.
You know, I like you stay here and be happy and become a very strong woman and build up a very perfect family.
Yes.
Mama, just waiting for my grandson.
Grandson.
OK. Pressure. 都同心口当作摸的，安尼，哈，可是相处起来没嘛个障碍。我觉得哈，我对媳妇蛮宽容的，反正我对儿子比较严谨。他有时候会跟我 complain 我儿子怎么样怎么样，我第一个是找儿子算账。Sometimes you complain about Jason, right? You know?
Because I see you like a mother, so I always
yes,
have to tell you
so,
to help me to fix it.
Okay.
Sometimes Jason is more reserved, quiet, and maybe I don't. So I always wonder, what is his ideas or something. So if I don't know and I can't really get it out of him, then I go to mom because she knows how to. Maybe she will talk to him in a different way, and he will be able to explain to her in Chinese more and open up more. To his mom than me. So there's always a small difference.
我同阿成橋講嚇，講伊將伊摕台灣一個家庭，佢有乜嘅講對傑森啊，有乜嘅意見呢？盡量同媽媽講，因為爸爸媽媽提英國安樣，我想我告訴他，我如果台灣的媽媽有乜嘅事情，一定要同佢講。Water. 哦，太旺了。
Oh my God.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, maybe now. We have a fireman here, so it's okay. We have a firefighter. Okay. See? I don't know that. He told me.
来，放在这里。
Okay.
好，一起下去一起炒。
So you just add salt?
Salt,
and,
yes.
That's it?
That's it. It's very simple, right?
Okay, very
很
simple.
简单，很简单吧？很简单。哎，吃饭了哟！吃饭了，吃了吗 ？Lunch time。
来，做按餐吹啊，来。
餐吹啊。
I sit there.
坐嘅。
来。看起来quite好吃咯。
有嘅是些嘛，做一下。
哎呀，quite好吃咯，quite好吃咯。
做按着。
哦，可以了。好，谢谢你啊，谢谢你。那先试一下，看到好吃吗？
哦。
香吗
Yeah.
You did a very good job.
Did I? Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you.
I'm learning.
爹哋完全是。
哦，爹哋先食看咯。用條羹食，條羹先看咯。好吃，太好吃了。OK， 謝謝。過水。
This is
好吃。
Hakka.
好。
好吃。
誒，我都唔知啊，我會做啊。 拍拍手，真赞了。
谢谢。
以前有试过，但是前边都基本上小朋友吼，
冇朋友，前面有对个英国带个呢印度的料理回来，这是纯粹印度料理。
他说以前有吃过。
Before he ate, but that time you didn't.
但是今天吃的都特别好吃。
You're not yet bring the powder. Which your mom make from to Taiwan. So,
Taiwan, yeah.
So today the flavor is better than before.
Before, yeah.
啊，尽量来寻求，向我出发的时间吼，我愈尊重寻求的家人，啊，讲来没求他是那个伊斯兰教了哈，基督教了，啊，我就尊重他们啦，啊，各种我尽量煮菜，他们有在的话，来某是主用啊嘞。
I'm used to using the bowl now, and I learned how to use the chopsticks when I first arrived here. It's very early, so I was very comfortable to use the bowl and the chopsticks. Yeah.
今日咩真真好嘅啦！佢嗌聲人咧就係講話，而家對嘅外國人咧，佢叫什麼？鼓勵幫人哋講啦，佢都挺有禮貌。喺度有咧，佢買嘅中華正單咧，就人咧喺要嘅經嘅客家人咧，佢種嘅情形都講下而家那個這舉止啊，是那個中華這方面啊都個觀念咧係要睇要寫啊咧。所以講嘅係人哋講有啲唔會講話像人咧時間咧喺個國家咧，佢自我主義啊嘛，佢係唔會。所以講影響話真好。
When I was coming here, my parents told me, "Oh, be careful. You know, you just have to look after yourself and make sure everything. If you're not happy there, you should come back." My sisters told me that as well. But I think when I came here, I didn't see any dangers. Everyone was so nice to me, and I didn't have any friends or I didn't know anybody. I couldn't even trust my boss because I didn't know him so well. But I think when I came here, I got a really good impression of everyone here.
来，看相片。我请假。所以他爷爷在路走呢，上不路去路教。路教，嗰種來跟他伊斯蘭教，冇吃豬肉。
我們也是討論過他，反正就是小孩子的幸福給
做，係啊，
幸好我有生2個。
薩洱瑪他爸爸就有說，因為他們穆斯林的傳統就是小孩子都是跟爸爸的宗教，他們本來理想的結婚的對象就是希望自己的小孩子也是跟穆斯林背景的家庭結婚這樣子。
所以說他雖然是信那個教，但是祭祖啦還是掃墓啦，給瓜子啦嘛，給伊攏沒，
他都會參與。
給鬼啊，薩洱瑪沒有鬼啊。
我跟薩洱瑪說，我不拿香拜其他神，可是在祭祖的時候，我祭祖的時候我就會拿香這樣。薩洱瑪他會希望禮拜5我跟他去清真寺，就是因為這是他的傳統，然後這是他在台灣的宗教的他的心靈上的寄託這樣子。
My dad is a very traditional man. He's very cultural and traditional. When Jason came to visit my family, and my dad mentioned to Jason, you know, he doesn't really like his daughters just dating. He wants them to settle down. So he told Jason and his family, like, you know, if you guys, if you're asking for Selma to marry into your family, then I would be happy to know you guys do the engagement. So my dad feels more, because this is our religion and it's part of our culture. So we decided, we didn't have too much time. We would have done this in the UK, but we decided to come to Taiwan, and we went to the mosque. We spoke to the mosque teacher, and he said, yeah, he can arrange that for us.
这是也个黑阿米嫂诶，她是我的妈妈，很喜欢这嘛。伊拢还没阿米诶，的阿多啦。
阿多啊。
阿米诶，叫阿米诶咯。伊同我講，按叫阿米诶心球哪去啦？啊，要我媽講，按叫阿米诶心球攞冇來。
哎，學長，學長，哎，
你好。
哦，兩位2分半。兩位2分半呢，唔好變重要。 好，嘿，英文版的，
有龙中的台湾的，
你台湾的。
They're busy. They're busy.
They're busy, yes. 这个是大锅菜，也可以客家的太白菜，然后高丽菜、薄菜、猪肉。平常的时候，我们6日有空的话会回来，要不然有时候就是会跟萨洱玛会跟我家人一起回来，然后回来就是看看他们。以前外婆还在的时候，就会很常回来看他。现在不能吃姜丝炒大肠，可是我可以吃其他的东西来弥补心里面的空虚，这样子。
The flavor is stronger than normal lunchbox or something like that. Yeah, bane right? Bane 好吃。
同的bane。
bane 好吃。
bane 黄的高丽菜、白菜。
How do you say this?
黄的。
Ne?
黄的。
Ne. And this?
薄菜。
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 Okay.
高丽菜。
高麗菜。An egg?
卵的。
Oh, so it's not done?
No, 雞卵。
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 Oh.
Yes.
Nice.
好吃吗？
好吃。好吃。
这个不
bane 好吃。
蛮好吃，蛮好吃嘛。
这个好吃。
蛮好吃，蛮好吃。
都好吃了哈。
好吃，好吃。
我哋係買啲印象村對啊，即係買嚟，好，要定下落下人啊，會合得到，好，我每一定係講話呢，講話全部都歸好啊。
有时候我跟萨洱玛回来的时候，如果店里面比较忙的话，我跟萨洱玛就会帮忙收碗跟洗碗。有时候那些爸婆他们忙不过来的话，就帮忙收这样子。
可以聽書什麼都歸好啦，會聽書啊，有時候他會幫忙啊，端菜啊什麼啦，最會叫他去幫忙一下，他就會幫忙啊。
他說他讀書的時候，他的爸爸就會給他們零用錢，但是零用錢不夠用，他就會去打工。然後我覺得這孩子不錯，就是那種教育跟我們台灣完全。我聽到他的這個故事，我就覺得，哎，這樣不對。以前我兒子哈，他的零用錢不夠，開口我就給他，這錯誤的教育的失敗，但是已經回不去了。
Over there, the back ones.
So now we just buy the fruits for Leo,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And later we will go to nature forest, right?
Yeah.
So do you think which one we should buy?
Tea.
Okay, how about this one?
Mix one.
我们要这个。Okay,
Bye bye.
let's go out.
Let's go to Jai. Yes, nice. I planned it many times to come and visit, but it always got delayed. Yeah. Hi, Leo. Long time no see.
Yes,
好久不
probably
见。
about 2 years, right?
Yeah.
Surprising, surprising. 就是哇 you become more handsome.
For you.
Oh no way, no way.
Oh, this is Leo, my boss. When I first came to teach in Taiwan, Leo offered me a job and it was an amazing job. Yeah, I spent good 5 years here. Yeah. So of course, it was like family here. When I first arrived in Jai, it's a small town, and there was not much, I didn't know anybody here, so I felt so welcomed, and it didn't feel like I'm signing up to a job, it was like a lifestyle. So I'm really grateful. Thank you, Leo.
I think this place you
Very
haven't been here
familiar.
for a long time.
I'm very familiar, yeah.
Okay.
I stayed here for about 5 years. 6th year I was working here
Yeah,
part-time and then going back to Jai every week. So it was like few days in Kaohsiung and few days in Jai.
台湾跟英国的文化差异非常的大，我很担心他没有办法适应台湾的家庭文化。我跟他说啊，他如果吵架的话没地方去，记得要跑回来。因为他的年纪跟我的女儿大概都是相仿，那我女儿都不在台湾， 所以他在这边的时候，我都把她当做自己的女儿在看待。
I think that was very nice because it's just like I don't really have my own parents here in Taiwan or my family members, so it's always a risk trying to connect with another person in a marriage or in a relationship. So Leo was a backup plan. Yes, if anything goes wrong, if anything happens, if you don't feel so happy or anything can happen. You never know. We are all humans, right? So he said, "You're always welcome back," which was nice.
And the door always open.
The door is always open. Yes, always welcome back.
Very simple. Thanks for the simple greeting.
Usually, we just have coffee, right? Just have coffee,
Yes,
sometimes
usually
peanut
have
toast.
coffee.
But when it's a weekend, we will go out to have breakfast.
如果我平常休假的时候，他如果在上班的话，我就会去公司找他，或者是我会去做我自己的事情啊。那刚刚整理一下家里啊，这样他回来就不用再整理了，这样子。然后因为就今天礼拜五，然后现在差不多时间，他待会准备要上课了，就是他需要人家逼他讲中文，他才会讲。
我要到他家去，对。
听说那家饭店不远。不远。Oh, I heard that one before. 我不知道怎么做，你知道吗？ I think it's Chinese. I think everybody says Chinese is very difficult to learn because your writing style is not the same and it's character-based language. So a lot of the words I have to remember. So it's like a memory form language. That makes it difficult. Actually, the first word Jason taught me when I first met him in the fire department, we had to exchange gifts with each other, and Jason gave me a rice cracker. And then I tried it and he said, is it delicious? I said, yes, delicious. He said, 好吃吗? 好吃. So that's the first word I learned. Yeah, other than 你好 and 谢谢. Usually on the weekend, if Jason is off, he'll come home. We'll go have brunch together if I need to buy something. Sometimes we will go out. Yeah, we will usually go out, meet friends, go somewhere. And if we have like 3 or 3 days off or something, then we go to another city. Oh, is there a way?
Yeah, it's a way. Did you see that? Yeah, that's every day. How about I take a picture for you?
Okay.
Okay, stay here, okay?
First time, and I think it's a really nice, it's a beautiful view of the whole Kaohsiung city here.
Everywhere is blue.
Yeah.
So many boats and sunlight.
A lot of sunlight.
Yeah, a lot of sunlight.
A lot of
Too much.
sunlight, of course. The view is very nice. Yeah. And we walked inside and saw a lot of British history, which is really interesting for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it interesting for you?
Also, yes, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Another. Your favorite pose?
Can I smile?
Your favorite pose? No, down, down. Look down. Look at his face. You need to make the same face, okay? One more time. You're sweating so much from your face.
Very hot, too hot.
Yeah. You see? You see the difference?
Selma, how is here? How do you think today?
Oh, it's really nice.
It's nice?
It's so beautiful here, you know. I'm glad you brought me here.
Oh, it's okay,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Thank
yeah.
you.
Yeah, I would like to take you to everywhere, anywhere, if you like it.
Did you ever try this before?
No, never.
Is this special for you, this one?
Yeah, very special. 我觉得就是跟 Selma 的这段婚姻比较重要的就是包容跟耐心吧，然后要改变自己的一些以往的生活习性去配合 Selma， 因为毕竟每个人的不同的生长背景，然后他来这边之后，我觉得为他做点改变，我是很心甘情愿的，而且我也甘之如饴。
And I think these are sandwiches.
Okay.
That's an egg sandwich.
How about yours?
Another one.
Let me see
You
yours.
can try a little bit. I think it's the same.
我建议跟 Selma 都休假，然后刚好 Selma 有一个土耳其的朋友准备要回土耳其了， 然后还有萨洱玛的一些朋友刚好也在附近，所以我有约他们一起来。那待会我们就会在这边一起喝个下午茶，喝个饮料，聊个天，聚一下这样子。我希望他来台湾之后，他认识多点朋友，然后尽量融入台湾这边的生活，在这边有自己的朋友圈，然后慢慢的我们会认识彼此的朋友，我觉得这样是蛮好的。
The view is so nice, right?
Yes, oh yes.
And Jessie? Yeah.
Hi.
Hey! Oh, I'm so glad you came.
How are you?
It's been a long time.
Yeah, it's been a long time. Come on. Grab the chair.
Grab your chairs. Come, sit down.
Grab your chair. Yes. Grab your chair. Yes.
So nice, right?
How did you guys been here? You ride the scooter or you drive the car? You drive the car.
Yes.
You drive the car.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How have you been?
I am okay. I'm just looking for my flight tickets.
You will go soon,
arranged
right?
one flight to Thailand.
Oh,
So it's like connection flight.
oh, so good. You're making the most
This is
of your time.
The bed.
Try some tea.
Enjoy. I'm also
Try
telling the
here. Have a
story.
sandwich.
How they eat the
You can have. You try quiche.
Try the quiche.
Okay.
I remember once we were walking. It was at night, maybe after for Lunar New Year. We were in the Lotus Pond, and Selma was walking too a lot. That is why she felt tired. And then Jason told, "Okay, I can give you my sneakers," and they just changed their
I had heels on.
And you know, Jason walked with heels.
Really? Yeah, he
Selma's
my
here.
boots like really this big.
And Jason gave
Wow,
Selma.
super lovely guy. Oh my
It was so much fun.
我觉得他们就真的有时候相处会让我觉得他们很像好朋友。对，就是我觉得萨洱玛可能他会旅游啊，然后或是他会跟朋友参加一些活动，然后他回来之后，因为 Jason 的工作可能没有办法这么的自由，但是他们就是有办法就是去分享啊，然后我觉得这个都是一个异国婚姻很重要的一个桥梁这样子，所以我觉得 Jason 跟萨洱玛是非常互补。
She's happy, of course, but this is life, you know? Always there's up and downs. That life is not like straight way. But at the end, if you can handle every struggle, then this is such a good thing.
And Jason will always worry about the safety and the weather, the food, the money.
我会想的比较多啦。
Sometimes I will say, it's okay, we can spend money, get the experience. Jason's like, no, we can save the money and use it later for a more safer thing. So this is the difference between our thinking, yeah.
They are two girls.
We're planning this year to go to visit them again. And hopefully in February, my brother will come visit us. And we'll probably do the wedding celebration.
Yes.
And then after that, I think we've completed all the marriage processes, and we can just try to live our lives and move forward. Smile.
萨洱玛他目前已经很融入台湾的生活，就是希望他在台湾可以过得开心，然后我们有自己的下一代，再生个小孩子，然后就是平平安安、快快乐乐。
Hi, my name is Selma. I live with my husband Jason in Taiwan. I've traveled quite a bit, but I've lived in Taiwan for over 7 years now. And I love this country, I love the place, and I love you.
I love you too.
Yay!
我没有把我就是身边一些消防队的一些发生的事情。坏的我没有比较少跟他讲，像我同学有同学已经殉职了，我也没有跟他讲。对啊，我不想让他想太多了。每个工作都有风险嘛，那总是要有人去做这些工作啊。嗨呀，萨洱玛，这几年辛苦你了，漂洋过海来到台湾，然后来到一个人生地不熟的地方，那也谢谢你选择了我当你的老公，我会尽我的努力让这里变成你第二个家。我爱你，每当上必然刚打呼。